A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun to avoid repeating it. A verb is a word that shows an action, a state, or an occurrence. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It tells us what kind, which one, or how many. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences together. An interjection is a word or short phrase that expresses a strong emotion or sudden feeling.